Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Therefore, we will be about Melodies TV. So, still in the bid to explain matters further, Moamunim say I was say you're breaking it down for here. And the Supreme Court DSC and the Memamoti said today was the day for case management. Say yeah, case no send ya besha here fact nyama. Now so Endra NDC and Rebecca said John Dramani Mahama true lawyer Chachuchi Kata file 2 applications our court intended applications no and awomoko delay case management no ambassador. But in Crawford NTS here because at the end of the day Supreme Court ebo in Semniguye na young Crawford say a case need na Supreme Court abo gudabi sa application ya Mahama eka say what per se what file no and na Supreme Court ebo guye obi be bisa say applications ben now in all no 30 questions in all applications no na 30 questions na answer na case number 2 aso no Mahama per se yema jinmensa ye bisa no nsemfo bako 30 na san nsemfo 30 no na Mahama true ne lawyer Chachuchi Kata ehu ne se ebema case no sebe a narrow case no ebema yehu case no sebe se case no se wa ye be shrinking it down ayeketwa because eno na ye na ye den ye hwe by the end of the day ye bonsem ni guye court se dabi sa ensema na Mahama opese ne lawyer no ebisa easy jinmensa no womo empene into number to me atwen as the case is going on cross examination brainy draw na womo ebisa but then obi be bisa say into ensembe na Mahama pese wo bisa Supreme Court eka se womo empene Mahama wo mbisa sisia na ensembe na Chachuchi Kata e wo se wo bisa Supreme Court ka se wo empene no say na me din kan che no 2 applications. One of the application application bia ekita 12 questions and the other so yemfa ne say true or false say yebisa wasem nekra na aka say nekra enya nekra na aka say enya nekra and also I think say it had 18 questions ema questions ni na no 30. So that is the bit I want people to understand. Now the first application no application bia womutu ne din further and better particulars na eno no say na bidin kan tell no na 12 interrogatories. Now you can interrogatories say court terms na netentini ni tietie mu no say insemfua ye bisa insemfua 12 na we yi ano obi be bisa say insemfua ben eno na me de brel no. 1 John Dramani Mahama ensemo na wo pese wo hu a ye bogu ye ene say na wo pese 1 wo hwe say results from constituency collation centers no were they transmitted directly to the strong room in the EC headquarters? That was one of the questions na wo pese na ki ebisa jinmensa court abo ansem negu no but me pese mo nia mo hu asem no na che say ye kwani because we want people to understand what's going on. Inti one of the questions no ne pese hu ne say okay jinmensa na ki pese ebisa jinmensa say senior ye transfer results no from the constituency collation centers no how were the results transmitted to EC most strong room na ki ebe hu say ebia say na ye transmit ye ebia result no say na de ba say ye text message na de ba ya say na de ba ya na ebisa no Mahama esanso na wosanso pese wo hu through ne lawyer Chachuchi Kata ne say EC no wo mo encounter no say National Communications Authority no did they play any role or facilitated in any way the transmission of election results to the headquarters of the EC? Now dentia womo mimi susu mimi tinechi na mede ma adwen bubu dentia ni susu say womo kan we ne say the National Communications Authority no a governmental agency. The head of the National Communication Authority nipakra na wo handle MPP one more strong room no MPP for no more strong room the pakwa na will manage the operations of MPP strong room no or no na oya the head of National Communications Authority timi susu say na Mahama per se will be the same way ni ehu ne say the pakwa na will control MPP for strong room no e yo no na what the result no ebra mo ana so that was that was what I was thinking. Say, Ebiana, one person will move this question way, but no nature no Supreme Court company. But these are the questions, and now one more episode will move this. Niti no person say National Communications Authority no were they responsible in the transmission of the results from the constituency to the EC strong room and now other questions are now a person will be saying say Jim Mensah a Banisem realizing yes say there were errors in the figures now what the Bible saying be declare on 9th December e will be na yi na so 3 obi na beka kire no ono anote na ase e no da so ho da ye say adam ko declare ye error ono anoko tie nsem a wo kan answer wo Bible nte beka say me declare error na eno so na ka questions na Mahama wo pese wo bisa easy ye bogu ye no. Now the next question is in respect of the corrections made to the figures that were declared no na Mahama esam so pese wo hwe say was there any proper process of conferring with agents of the presidential candidates say easy will declare results give you our babeye correction answer no obey correction no when Mahama any Akufo-Addo agents etenase ehun say oh my mistake na correct result ni munso mun check nhwe say e correct answer na wo ba abonti abe correction na because I'm say emrane tresa say e was say wo yes but I don't know interna na omo person wo mu bisa sa question so now the next question na omo san so person mu bisa and say the declaration of the presidential results no did Jim Mensah present the declaration of the presidential results form to all agents of the presidential candidates to sign, and if so did all the agents sign? Answer na Jim Mensah will be declare results no was say what the form Emma Mahama any Akufo-Addo ni agents no more signing who say result here will be declare your correct result because you need a strong room where you who say yes your correct results. So mo person who bisa say Mahama any Akufo-Addo agents no omu to me sign results na say will be an sign here. What was the reason a woman ma yenti a woman unsign it? Now furthermore the petitioner John Dramani Mahama through Chachu Chikata na ensemfo a woman san so person wo mu bisa and say no mo person wo mu hu omo person is in the was 30 dates I will post a copy of the presidential declaration form at the head office of the EC, and if the EC recorded any discrepancies which were occasioned by computational and mathematical errors in the course of the collation of the results on both dates I will post a copy of presidential declaration no office of the EC because Emratre said I was say we mo post presidential declaration no EC no we office and say random a specific date into mo person we mo bisa no say dates ben no ko post sa anyama no na so we post yampo a results no we wie mathematical errors ni nyama ebe mu no nso we oye mistakes ni wie no o ko post ye no nso ana eno nso na question na we mo person we mo hu. So these were the 12 interrogatories. 12 questions and now one more person Jim Mensah we yi no. Me ma what ya say e 2 applications. Ya bo applications 2 ni nego. The next application no eno na Makato say applications bia an application bia they wanted to establish facts from the EC. Into no more pay yes or no answer from the EC. Eno so ni. Now I say in the declaration of the December 9, 2020, the EC chairperson stated that President Akufo-Addo, the presidential candidate of the NPP in the 2020 election, obtained 6,730,413 votes, representing 51.595% of the total valid votes. That was questioner. One person mubisa say into obe answer say yes or no. One mubisa say into Jim Mensah. You person you bisa. Into a say President Akufo-Addo result I would to say 6,700,000 plus votes percentage that when you 51.595%. You see bisa say sa percentage no sa results no no the correct one na into no beka ane eno no beka dabi we know now we won't pay explanation from Jim Mensah. Other ones in the normal pay explanation we the normal pay yes or no answer. Now The next question I know more person will be standing they say na Mahama person who through the lawyer say if the results as declared on 9th December 2020 excluded the result from the Techiman South constituency, and if indeed Ms. Mensah stated that if all votes from Techiman South were added to his Mahama's votes, it will not change the outcome of the results. No more person will say Jimensa Eyanekre say what kind say result now will be declared na Techiman South in Kaho. Na Techiman South kran say ye de nini na ka Mahama de ne ho kra still Mahama won wini ana sa asem na Eyanekre say what kind ana. And also no more pay yes or no. Other ones and also question ana one more answer person will be sa and say or say if indeed Jean Mensah refused to accept a letter from the NDC detailing certain errors in the collation of the results of the December 7, 2020 presidential elections, and if the EC admitted to errors in the declaration on December 9, 2020, NDC for MIRTS say answer na Jean Mensah ebe declare results no. One more petition no say yes sir. Yente ye ho ase ma yente na se ne nka asem ne wi ansa na wa ba abonti aba be declare. One say Jean Mensah mfi omo wan je petition no. Now, so from the NDC, they make us understand, say, even all the President Akufo-Addo answer will be winning crano. A process is be our one more petition is no. Afarijan time near one more petition no. Not to say Atina say I can send man sana ya baba be declare. Into a normal thing. Other than Jimensa 1 penny. Into based on that, one more person will be saying say, a crasa NDC for a petition braille. Petition no. Ada na we mfi omo e petition ni mu and also ensem it's no ensem bia na Mahama wo pese wo bisa ye bogu ye e court no ensem ni. But you see, people should understand this particular application ayabo egu no, some people are rejoicing in California. I don't know whether people don't understand the matters happening in court, but California asem ye nyandu baby awo ye nyan share asem na se. And it has no effect on assembly because the and the Supreme Court has said this particular application it has no effect on the matter. NBC force to say yeah dear ye pese EC bisa ana ye pese bisa EC in some way nema assembly said ye intentem. It is Supreme Court ruling na wode aba say dabi NDC mo penentem kra ye damase ye penentem ye pese e call the normal process. So if for nothing at all sa in some Supreme Court abogu no, it doesn't affect the main case because mind you the main case no Jean Mensah will be cross-examined. Whatever the witness box ni mo na Chachuchi Kata cross-examine no. It's no questions where we now Chachuchi Kata could still be asking her these questions or more. So what I say NDC for some NDC application no, this particular application doesn't affect the case or the main case. It's a mesremo one time chuku na nsemme de afiance e ba be sha se yendu bebia yendu 0.1% impo because spiritual cry nyanye ati ase yendu bebia ntino we dey more relaxing. Which one do your comment box ni mo?